What's up guys? If you are in the market for one of the best Android phones, the breadth of options can be overwhelming. But choice is one of the greatest things about Google's mobile OS. Android provides a similar user experience across many makes and models of phones while letting you prioritize the features you want. Please hit the like button to share this video and subscribe my channel. OnePlus 8, it is the iPhone of Android phones. The OnePlus 8 might not have the wicked fast wireless charging or 120Hz animation of its pricier sibling OnePlus 8 Pro, though it is a good Android alternative to the iPhone 11 for exactly the same $700 price. In fact, the OnePlus 8 bests Apple's hardware in a few areas. Buyers get a generous 128GB of storage out of the box, a high-resolution 6.5-inch AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate compared to the iPhone 11 60Hz LCD panel, 5G connectivity and a faster wired charging out of the box thanks to OnePlus industry-leading Warp Charging 30D technology. Buy this phone for its excellent display, very good battery life, powerful processor and good low-light photos. The only disappointment is with the camera, that there is no optical zoom provided and the picture quality is middling. The curved screen is prone to accidental touches. Links are given in the description, you can buy it from there. Google Pixel 4 XL, the smartest camera phone. The latest flagship from the Google continue to stand out thanks to their cameras. Both Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL add a telephoto lens to go alongside the main rear camera, delivering a 2x optical zoom. But Google did not stop with just new hardware. Updated camera software lets you tweak brightness and shadows on images, get a live HDR Plus preview on your phone's viewfinder and even snap photos of the night sky in an improved night sight mode. Other highlights include a 90Hz refresh rate that makes a smoother scrolling and better gaming, new motion sense feature for gesture controls and a fast face unlocking. Buy this phone for its excellent cameras. Screen has a dynamic 90Hz refresh rate which gives an immersive display experience, real-time live caption and recording transcription. The disappointments are screen is bit dim, no more unlimited photo storage at original quality. Links are given in the description, you can buy it from there. Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus emerges as the best Android phone you can buy right now by pulling off a tricking balancing act. It delivers a lot of premium features, almost as many as the Galaxy S20 Ultra, but in a phone that costs $200 less than the Galaxy's most expensive flagship. The Galaxy S20 Plus is still pricier than $1,200, but you can get a lot in return. For starters, the camera setup on the back of the Galaxy S20 Plus impresses us with the 4 lenses that produces great pictures, especially when you put that 64MP telephoto lens to work. Feature includes 5G connectivity, Snapdragon 865 chipset that produces the best performance of any Android phone and a vibrant 6.7-inch display with a 120Hz refresh rate. A 4500 mAh of battery keeps the things up and running, as the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus offers better than average battery life. Buy this phone for its amazing 6.7-inch display with a 120Hz refresh rate, long-lasting battery and impressive cameras. The disappointments are faster refresh rate can impact battery life and it is also expensive. OnePlus 8 Pro, a value for money among premium phones. OnePlus 8 Pro may seem like a departure from the previous OnePlus handset. After all, at $900, this is one of the most expensive phones OnePlus has made. But the OnePlus 8 Pro is one of the best Android phones because it continues the Chinese phone maker's tradition of packing as many as high-end features into its mobile devices as possible. In the case of the OnePlus 8 Pro, those features include a 120Hz refresh rate for its 6.78-inch OLED screen and a top-of-the-line Snapdragon 865 system on chip. Coming to the camera of the OnePlus 8 Pro, the 4 rear lenses produce some impressive shots that measures up well against the top Android phones for mobile photography. And while that $900 price may be lofty by OnePlus standards, it's still $100 less than the least expensive Galaxy S20 model. Buy this phone for its bright and beautiful 120Hz display, long battery life, strong performance, super fast wired and wireless charging. The disappointment is its curved display causes accidental taps. Links are given in the description, you can buy it from there. Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, the best Android phone overall. If money is no object, then the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is the phone for you. It's got a massive 108MP main sensor augmented by 3 other cameras including a 48MP telephoto capable of 10x lossless zoom. You can use the S20 Ultra space zoom to zoom in 100x though really without a tripod. The camera is the highlight in the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, but they are not the end of the story. The entire Galaxy S20 lineup features displays with a 120Hz refresh rate, and that smooth scrolling really shines on the Ultra's 6.9-inch panel. Galaxy S20 Ultra also gives the top performance with the Snapdragon 865 chipset inside, and it also comes with a 5G connectivity. And the 5000 mAh battery makes this phone the longest lasting Galaxy S20 model. Buy this phone for its impressive picture quality, gorgeous 120Hz display and huge 5000 mAh of battery. The only disappointment is price. It is very expensive. Links are given in the description, you can buy it from there. So these are our top 5 best Android phones, new phones recently launched that you can buy in 2020. If you have any other phone in your mind, please comment in the comment section. Do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.